Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to follow topics that you are interested in on the twitter.com website, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the website on your device, and after that you should tap on the more button in this left side column of the screen. And then you should tap on topics at the top, and here you're going to find a bunch of suggested topics in the middle of the screen that you can follow or indicate whether you are interested in it or not. So if you are, just simply tap on the plus icon next to it. If you are not interested, then click on the dismiss button, which is this X button next to the title of the topic, and just simply click on the relevant ones. And if you are interested in more, then click on the more topics, and then you will be directed to this categories section where you can find a bunch of subcategories such as music, animation, comics that you can check out and indicate the topics in more details. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.